I have a blue hand next to me. Aesthetically pleasing, don't mind it.
With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable, and you showing off.
Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is what do I have an accent now? Cool. Today's video is just gonna be like me doing my makeup with like affordable makeup because that's what I have, and that's what we're gonna do. So this is like, ooh, I'm gonna fix my necklaces. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do our makeup affordably. Everything is affordable. Even the brushes, like TJ Maxx comes through, Ulta comes through. And yeah, I just realized that this is a really noisy jacket and maybe it wasn't the smartest to wear for filming, but it's Toy Birds, so I mean, like, go off. Yeah, let's do our makeup, y'all. This is an attempt baby hair, but there's gel on it, so it's sticking out. Don't mind it. To start off, I prime my face. I didn't have any more primer, but I used I'll put up pictures of what I used. Oh my gosh, I'll make like the hand hold it. Yeah, anyway. I use the e.l.f. the pore filling one. It's green. You're gonna see. And what I just used now is just my Cetaphil moisturizer for all skin types. You know, we moisturize. So next, I would do brows. But do I have any brow products? No. And are my eyebrows done? No. So I'm just going to carve them out and conceal them so they don't look so terrible. Because, like, you know, yeah. I mean, like, you could fill them in to make them look more presentable. But I'm, like, I have a unibrow. So I'm just going to carve them out. To do so, because I'm also going to be priming my eyelids with this, so I'm going to be using this Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, shade Light Medium 30. I don't know, there's a 30 on it, so, yeah, like I said, I'm going to just, like, kind of carve out my eyebrows a little bit, and also use that as eyelid primer. And I didn't get this from Target like I normally would. I actually found this at TJ Maxx, so when I say affordable, like, it's probably like a dollar less there, but like that's $1, like, save it. So yeah, let's just, you know, carve the brows. How are you guys? You feel me? Oh my god, made my eyebrows look thin. Don't worry, y'all. I'll get my camera back soon, and you won't have to deal with my phone quality. Don't worry. She's coming. Blend it out. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender that I always use. Real Techniques. I think I got it actually from TJ Maxx. I had like a 4-pack. Says go to TJ Maxx. This one is, you could tell I've been using it. It's a different shape. Oh my gosh! Whenever I don't fill in my eyebrows, I feel like they look so naked, but like whatever. Next, I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid liner in jet black. I always make the mistake of getting midnight blue. I don't want blue liner, I want black. So make sure it's black. I mean, you can get blue if you want, but like, I like black. So yeah, I just do like a tiny wing. But normally when I say tiny wing, it turns into like a big wing. So we're gonna see what we come up with today. I'm sorry for the glare in my mirror. I'm not in my normal setup, but it's okay. It's a cute setup. I got a hand. What more could you ask for, you know? All right. So we're gonna do the wing. Okay. I feel like I'm relearning how to do makeup, even though I do my makeup almost every day. But like, anyways, so once you got your wing on, you feel me? You done. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Okay, this hand is gonna come into use for some. Okay. Cool. Okay. So how would I normally do? I just go into my foundation. Yeah. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop No Filter Sticks. I'm using the shade Medium 110W, which means warm. I also like to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's the matte one. I think they recently came out with a dewy one. Could be vice versa, but I think I use the matte one because I like to be kind of matte. And I use the shade Desert Beige in that one just for reference. So yeah, I'm gonna just put this all over. Like I'm painting my face, you feel me? Like, I need to tan is what I need to do. So how is it like, wow, it does not look my color on my phone. Okay. It is, because I'm, wow. Help Nikki find her foundation color 2020 because the sponge is damp as per usual. And we're just gonna blend a bit out. It doesn't look like the, it must be the lighting, because I'm telling you, when I'm in that other room and I'm doing my makeup, it don't, like, I be swearing it's my color. Like, who do y'all watch on YouTube? Y'all wanna know who I watch? Oh my god, yeah, sure. Yeah, so on the tube of you, what the fuck? I normally watch, I like Jackie Aina. I like Aaliyah's Face, you feel me? Oh shit, I almost fell. I mean, oh snap, I almost fell. I like Aaliyah's Face. I already said that. I like Hey Paris. Hey Paris is like one of my favorites. What? Do y'all care? No. And I also like, her name is Kristen. I don't know if her name is Yellow Kush anymore. I think it's just Yellow K or something like that. She's very entertaining. Her story times are very entertaining. Her videos are just entertaining to me. So I'd be watching her. And I've been watching a lot of couples channels. I'd be like Juju and Dez. Ow. Damn. Why am I hurting myself today? Like Juju and Dez and Katie and Carla. Like those have been the ones that I be watching. Nick and King. I ain't gonna flag. I be watching Nick and King. I be watching. Do I watch? I don't watch Carmen and Corey like that no more. I like watching Queen Naija and stuff, but like she barely be posting. I feel like, I don't know. And I feel like her parents barely be posting either, but like then again, look at me, I barely be posting too, so it's like we all just, but I love them. I'll just blend this out real quick. Next I'm going to be contouring. I use two things. I use this Revolution Pro. I got this from Sephora, Ulta, girl. This is Sculpt and Glow. And then I got, this is the Savannah Nights. And then I'm gonna be also using this Kylie Cosmetics bronzer and Tawny Mommy. But yeah, I feel like lately I've been into just such like simple makeup. Like, I don't know. But also, I'm just getting back into makeup, so like, duh. My under eyes be creasing, but sis doesn't have any setting powder. If you have setting powder, please, and your eyes crease, set your under eyes a little bit. Cause all day I just be beauty blending it up. Yo, this baby hair attempt. I use this color to contour my nose because it's lighter than the other bronzer, and I just personally don't feel like my nose needs like too much contour. Like, I don't know, I just be doing it because, you know, completes the look, you know. Now, like I said, I'm going into the Kylie Cosmetics Tawny on me just to like deepen it up a little bit, like just on the perimeter around my face. You feel me? This is such a better mirror. Like, it's not even right in my face. But yeah, I got so many new clothes, y'all. Hauls are definitely coming soon, like Forever 21, Fashion Nova, H&M. I'm gonna throw in like a little bit of like other clothes that I got, like, because I don't have like too many to like do a full haul. But y'all don't know how much hauls like really are tiring. Like, I'm tired. But I'm gonna do it because, you know, oh my gosh, I was looking at the box for this and I was like, where's the bronzer so I can pull it back? Here. Okay. Now we're going into highlight, and what I like to do is, so lately I've been going into two highlighters. One is from the Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro. I don't know. Are they the same company? Let me know. I go into the same Savannah Nights palette and I use this beautiful highlighter. I really like this shade. And then I also go into the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in a Golden Flower Crown. These are some good affordable highlighters, honestly. So I go in with the Revolution Pro first. This lighting doesn't do justice. She's there, I promise. And I kind of just, hit all the points that I want. You feel me? Like, y'all, I'm going into the Wet n Wild one now. But it was like getting so cold and nice, like where I'm from, or where I'm at, I should say. And now I went outside and I said, oh, it's 80 degrees. How you go from 60 to 80 like that? Wow. I love this Wet n Wild highlight. The formula and everything is just really cool. And see, I just like how my face kind of looks natural, but like beat. Okay, should I say beat but natural? Because it looked like it's beat. Like, I don't look like I don't got no makeup on, but like. Also, if I ever feel like my foundation doesn't really match or whatever, I kind of like to go down on my neck. I like to bring the bronzer down on my neck. Because it doesn't look too dark. I just take the remainder and I kind of just, that's that. Okay, what do we do next? I don't know. Well, I like to take a big fluffy brush and just, Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with mascara, and this is a mascara actually from Ulta. It's L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I like this one. It's quite cute. I almost forgot to do like my favorite part of like my makeup routine. Duh. So basically, I like to take a white eyeliner, preferably the ColourPop cream gel liner, but I've also used the NYX liner, and just like a retractable liner. And I like to put that in my waterline, but I like to take it just halfway. And I think it just makes my eyes look so pretty, and I just think it really brings the look together. So I'm going to do that now. And then I go back in with my mascara just to apply them to the bottom lashes, because I don't know why, I just love that. Okay, so, and now for lips, we're almost done. Basically, so I use a concoction, a mixture. I like to put on first this Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick. I believe it's a velvet. Yeah, it's a velvet in basic. But I ain't no basic. But, and then I take the Makeup Revolution London in Matte Hustle. Then in the middle of that, I take this Buxom Cosmetics, or Buxom. It's a top coat. It's in the shade Mariah. This was from TJ Maxx, Promise. $5.99. You can't go wrong with TJ Maxx. And so you could leave it like this with just the Kylie, but like, no. Not me. And then you could leave it like this with the Makeup Revolution one in the middle, but no. Not me. Bruh. Y'all ain't gonna lie. This sometimes I'll be swallowing this on accident. My throat said, sis, you're burning. Y'all don't swallow your lip plumpers. They're only meant to plump your lips, not your scroll. Just don't do it, I promise. Like, it's not worth it. I like how this one is like pinky with like green gold. Yeah, kind of reflex in it. I don't know if you could really see it like that. Oh my god, such a beauty guru. I'm like, anyways, it's kind of dry, so I'm gonna just apply it like in the middle just to get it, you know, to look. Ooh, that was ugly. Anyways, it's even at first application, like it looks green. I was like, whoa there. I kind of just, you know. And then to set my face, lately I've been using just the Evian facial spray, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back and show you. Hey you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You feel me? A nice, just little simple and cute, like affordable makeup. Like, you can't go wrong. Me and my blue hand, thank you so much for watching. And you know, we hope you like this video, and if you did like it, we hope that you press the like button, and we hope that you comment down below. You feel me? Do you use any of these products? What products do you like? What products would you try? What products wouldn't you use? Let me know. And me and my blue hand just really want to say, subscribe. Like, you hear him, he's like, subscribe and join and see this face all the time. Yeah, like I said in my last video, I'm getting back into the grind of things, you feel me? And yeah, you know, we just want to continue on. Makeup is therapy for me, I feel like. And yeah, relaxing. Do your makeup. Get cute. Just to do nothing, to take a nap and then mess it up like I always do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Addicted to you.